Hi everyone, welcome to another video of this course. In this video, we shall be talking about the course structure. This course can be divided into two main sections, the theoretical part and the practical part. Although design theories are very important, we shall be focusing more on the practical section of this course. This would help you to develop your skill by practicing. In the theoretical part, we will learn about design basics, UI elements, and so on and so forth. While in the practical part, we will design a complete mobile application from scratch. We shall also talk about wireframing and so much more. So, if you're a complete beginner, I highly recommend that you watch the theoretical part first and then proceed with the course. On the other hand, you can skip the theoretical part and jump into creating a project. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.